Hello, cadets. Good morning. We are continuing with the revision of writing section, and today we are going to discuss about application for a job. Remember that when you draft a covering letter for a job, when you apply for a job, you have to submit along with a biodata. So the job application has to be accompanied with a resume or biodata. It is also called biodata, resume, CV, curriculum vitae. So let us discuss about job application, which is a very important question in long composition. So there is going to be a job application or letter to the editor. So there will be an option, but definitely one question will be there on job application. Draft an application for the post of an accountant in Star International School that was advertised in the Indian Times on 4th May 2021. You are Amit or Namrata. So let us see in the application what all are required. So at first, sender's name and address. 8 Gandhi Road, Baroda. There is no need for you to leave the line there. Space is left there, so that is not required. Okay. So at first, what is it to be returned? Sender's name and address. And it should be short. Remember, when you are writing address, you should not write your name there. So only address has to be there. Then date, 13 May 2021. Write the date. And how the date has to be written. So that is very important. The style of writing the date, it should be written like this. The month should be written in words, not in numbers. The principal, Starshine International School, Chandigarh. So here the principal address of the one whom you are writing the letter, the principal or to whom you are applying. You are applying for the job there in that school. Now your subject, application for the job of an accountant. So you can just write that it's application for the job. Okay, next, salutation. So how salutation is to be written? You can write sir, you can write respected sir. Then the opening line. How the opening line will be, just see here. So salutation, you can write sir, respected sir. Now the opening line will be, this is with reference to your advertisement in the Indian Times on 4th May 2021 for the job of an accountant. You can mention where you have come across, in which newspaper you have come across with reference to your advertisement in the reputed newspaper Times of India on 4th May 2021. I would like to apply for the job of an accountant. So you can write like that. The next will be, I'm at present working with a company in Ambala. Since my family is stationed in Chandigarh, I find it rather difficult to commute daily. My parents are old and ailing and require constant medical aid. Hence, I'm looking for a job in the city. So then you can continue. I have 4 years of experience and can assure you of my best services if given a chance. Then there has to be complimentary clause. So complimentary clause, and then what will be there with then at the end you can write the name. So here subscription and name, that's a complimentary clause, and then you can write the name, that's a subscription. So here it is not given, but you are supposed to write that. Then biodata, when you are writing, you can write here very short biodata is there, but you can include many other details like your name, address, then date of birth is given there, educational qualification is given there. You can write languages known. Okay, address, when you are writing, you can give a little bit details about that. Then job experience, working for the 4 years. So where all you have worked, about that experience, you can write about all that. then expected salary, references. If any prominent person you know them, then you can mention about that. It can be principal of a school, or it can be yes, important person there in a factory. Any, I mean, very prominent person. His name you can mention about. The person should know you. That is what is very much important there when you are giving the reference. Mr. Sen Gupta, Head Accounts Division, Alembic Chemicals, Ambala. Now question number 2, let's see example here. Question number 2 here, and this is also related to this application for a job. So question number 2, you are Nikhil or Nikita. So living at 1 Rana Pratap Marg, New Delhi. Read the advertisement given below and apply for the job that suits you, giving your biodata separately. Sunrise University requires lecturers in English and demonstrators in physics, chemistry and botany for their new campus at Panipat. First of all, understand the question. What is there? It is application for the job. Candidates with a minimum of 5 years experience alone can apply. So when you are writing about it, you have to mention that you have more than 5 years of experience. Excellent command of English is a must. Excellent package and compensation for experienced persons. Those interested may email to Sunrise University Jobs at gmail.com or mail their response to box number 123, The Harbinger, New Delhi. So let's see how you should write this application. So at first, what is required there? Sender's address. How it is written, sender's address? 1 Rana Pratap Marg, New Delhi. Short address without name. How it is written, see here. Then 1st March 2021. How the date is to be returned. Follow this format. This is right. Follow this only. Write the date in words. No need of putting comma after March. They have put comma after March. No need of putting comma. Then the principal, or if it's a university, the chancellor, whatever it is there. Sun University, it's a private university, so that's why principal is there, or dean will be there. So after that, Sun University should come in the second line. Box number 123, The Harbinger, New Delhi. So this is how the address is written there. Then subject. Subject you can write short because you will not be applying for so many posts. So you just write application for the post of lecturer in English. Application for the post of demonstrator in physics. No need of writing all that entire thing, whatever is written here. You can write short. So what should be written and what should not be written, that let's understand it. It should not be written like this. Entire thing, whatever is given there in the question. No need of writing all that. So what is very important is how you write that. So if you are applying for English lecture post, write that only. You need not mention about demonstrator in physics, chemistry, botany. Should you mention? You should not mention that. But if you are applying for demonstrator, write that. Application for the post of demonstrator in physics, whichever subject it is there, you have to mention that. Sir, madam, both not required. You just write one. Either you write sir or you write madam. Then next line, opening line, very important here. In response to your advertisement in the Times of India. So with reference to your advertisement or in response to your advertisement in whichever newspaper you have come across, because you have to give reference to that, dated February 25th, 2021 for the post of English lecturer. So you mention only about one particular. If you are writing about English lecture, okay, fine. In your new campus, I wish to offer my candidature. I wish to offer my candidature. I would like to apply for the post of. You can write like that. I would like to bring into notice that I possesses all the aforementioned qualities required for the job. I am enclosing a copy of my biodata for your perusal and kind consideration. I am available for the interview on any day of your convenience. If given a chance to serve you, I assure you that I shall work with utmost sincerity and dedication up to your satisfaction. Then thank you, not required. And yours faithfully, don't write that. You can write yours truly. So the modern way of writing is yours truly. We don't write yours faithfully anymore. So what all you are enclosing there? So enclosures are biodata and testimonials. The testimonials you will get from very prominent person who knows you and he will mention about your qualities. Then biodata, whatever it is given here, in short it is given here, but you can write in detail that biodata. Like name is given, father's name. So you can either write Nikhil or Nikita, father's name Roshan Singh, date of birth 21st April 1986, then address. Leave one line whenever you are writing this name. After that, leave one line. Father's name, leave one line. Date of birth, then again leave one line. And address, write complete address, not short address. Then phone number, then you can write email, ID, then marital status, age, nationality, academic qualifications, BA honors in English, MA in English, hobbies, strengths, experience, name and addresses of references. So here strengths, proficiency in English or command over the language, computer literate, those are your strengths. Hobbies, reading, traveling, net surfing, experience 7 years as English lecturer or whatever that is there. If you are demonstrator, whatever experience, because they have demanded at least 5 years experience. So you have to mention more than 5 years. The names and addresses of references. Mr. Vijay Mathur, Principal, GD Goenka Public School, Pitampura, Delhi. Mr. Satish, Head of Department, Commerce, Delhi University, Delhi. So you can give some references there. Well, let us move on to the next question now. Shall we go to the next question? Okay. Let's see here. Next question. Read the advertisement given below and then write a suitable application in response to it. Sign yourself as Abhiraj or Akansha. So what is given there? Here now advertisement is given there. So it's a classified advertisement here. Tulip Banquets and Resorts. We are an upcoming brand in hospitality sector. So what is it? It's a classified advertisement. We require a young, dynamic, energetic and experienced front desk manager to look after our newly opened resort in Bhimtal, Uttarakhand. So Tulip Banquets and Resorts, that's name of the yes, a firm. And what do they require? They require front desk manager. And what do they have? They have a resort. So it's a hotel, it's a resort, which is it's in Uttarakhand, and they require manager, front desk manager. They require experienced, dynamic, energetic. So these are the qualities they expect. So you have to read and then you have to draft that. Food and lodging will be provided free of charge. Salary negotiable. So food and lodging will be provided and salary is negotiable. Well, apply tulip resort@gmail.com. So they are given only what? Mail ID they are given and you have to apply. Well, how it is to be written, the application for this job. So let's go through this and remember whenever you write application, when you write this covering letter, it should be accompanied with what? It should be accompanied with a resume. That is very important here in the case of application for a job. So let's go to this application for this job. What job they are looking for? It's a front desk manager. How did you come to know? you have seen a classified advertisement where it was appeared, naturally it will be appeared in a newspaper. So they are not mentioned about that, but they have said that you have come across an advertisement and then write a suitable application in response to that advertisement that you have come across. First thing, keep it in mind that you are applying for which kind of job and what are the qualities that are expected of you. Keeping that in the mind, then you write application. Okay. So at first, what is to be written? Sender's address. And that sender's address has to be short. So how that sender's address is written? Let's see this. J23 bar D. Uttam Vihar, Muzaffarnagar 251003. Then after that date is written. How the date is to be written? 26th March 2021. So at first sender's address. Next we have date. And then whom you are applying, their address. The manager, Tulip Banquets and Resorts. So what is it? It's a resort. Where is it? It's in Uttarakhand. Bhimtal, Uttarakhand. And what all are expected of the applicant, that is also mentioned there in the advertisement. And based on that only you should write your application. So subject is application for front desk manager. So you know that you have to apply for, so application for the post of front desk manager. Sir. So salutation will be either you can write sir, you can write respected sir, dear sir, all are acceptable. You can just write sir, that is enough. Because it's an application for the job. This refers to your advertisement in the Hindu. So they have not mentioned the name of the newspaper, but you should mention because you come across these kind of advertisements in the newspaper. This refers to your advertisement in the Hindu dated 24th March 2021 for the vacancy of front desk manager in your Bhimtal resort. So where that vacancy is there, it's in resort, and that Bhimtal resort. No need of mentioning again the name of that resort. I wish to apply for the same. I have the required qualifications and experience for the post. So they are expected, experienced person. So that's the reason why I have the required qualification and experience for the post. My detailed biodata, because you are going to mention about that your experience there in the biodata. So there is no need for you to write here again. So my detailed biodata is enclosed with this application. If selected, I assure that I'll prove my worth and work to your full satisfaction. I hope for a favorable response from your side. So this is a closing paragraph. This is a concluding paragraph. And there's no need for you to write very long. Okay. And at the end, you see here, what is written here? Yours truly. So write yours truly whenever you are writing application. Don't write yours faithfully. And you should not use apostrophe s. Yours. You should not use that because what is it? Yours. It's a possessive pronoun. So it's a pronoun. It's not noun. So therefore apostrophe s should not be used. Yours truly. And after this covering letter, what next will be there? There will be a biodata. So you should enclose every time whenever you are writing application. It should be with biodata. So let's see here. Enclose with what? Biodata. So biodata, what all should be there in the biodata? How it should be written? Name. If you want, you can leave one line there. Father's name. Then date of birth, 21st April 1986. Then contact address, J23D, Uttam Vihar, Muzaffarnagar. Then contact number, phone number. Then marital status, married. Educational qualifications, BA Hospitality from CCS University Meerut, PGDM in Hotel Management from Punjab University. So what all qualifications are there? 6 months English language training course from BSc because you're front desk manager. Communication skills have to be very good. Internships and work experience. So what all experience you have? 3 months internship after graduation at Saltaire in Muzaffarnagar. So relevant experience only you should mention here. Then other skills, good communication skills with proficiency in dealing with clients. So current salary, the names and addresses of references. Mr. M.L. Mehta, Chief Executive Saltaire in. Then Mr. Pallav Sinha, Manager 7 Seas Banquet. Well, thank you. Goodbye.